notice
that I ain't going
nowhere.
I ain't blowing no smoke. I mean, I've been sober, but you should've known it, that I wasn't going.
Hey guys, it's your girl Nadiva Valon. Hi, I've missed you guys. I'm back with another little video. I have lots of content to post and I had some issues with storage, but I'm back. So if you want to see me get ready to go out for my friend's birthday, make sure you keep watching. So I'm blow drying my hair. I didn't get the part where I actually install the wig, but I blow dry my hair and I do my wig braids. I'm also vibes into some music. I always like to do that when I'm doing the whole wash, blow dry process, wash, blow dry, braid down. I'm also a bit frustrated because I hate cleaning my hair and then putting it away under a wig. It's actually quite annoying, but the thing is, it's either that or put gel in my hair and have to do it again. Anyway, I explained it all in the video. I'm having fun. I'm clearly in a good mood, so you might get a bit of jokes, but yeah, if you like this video, make sure you communicate with me, girl. I want to see some likes, I want to see some comments and all them things, right? Also guys, let me know what content you want me to be posting. More hair content. Do you want to see any videos of me actually laying the wig and how I do it? If you want any of that, guys, just comment. I will leave a list of products that I put in my hair below as well. Alright then guys, I'll bring you more content soon. Enjoy this video. As always, love and wanna mwah. Truth is, I want to keep my hair out and put like a piece in or like slick my hair back, but I'm not going through all of this. Put hair product in to then have dirty hair, to then have to wash my hair again, to then have to go through this again. So I'm putting a wig on. I'm sorry, I'm putting a wig on because I can carry my hair, keep it nice and fresh for a few weeks. You know, it's a lot. It is a lot. God knows I want to wear it out. Jano. But it's too much work. Too much work. I'm not going to get a break. So we are cameroing it. Manicure. This is going under. Turn on the camera. These cameras will not be straight. Manicure, it will never happen. Oh yeah, yeah. Oh yeah. What is this on my lip? Random bump. Anyway, all of you, I'm going. Have a pleasant day. You don't do anything I will do. You're partying tonight, enjoy yourself. And we go talk later. It's Bianca's birthday.
I ain't going
Nowhere.
I ain't blowing no smoke. I mean, I've been sober, but you should've known it,